Hi, today we are sharing the news for 17th February, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PA to get into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news session in our website. The link for the website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are: Japan and UK shrink into recession, an opportunity for India. Headline inflation should soon come down to core inflation levels. No FEMA violation found by ED in Paytm Payments Bank case. Gemini Pro 1.5 with 1 million tokens surpasses GPT-4 Turbo. Tech industry revenue to touch $254 billion this fiscal year. This article is about Japan and UK recession. Japan and the UK recently entered into recession, highlighting the financial struggles that countries have been facing after the COVID pandemic. Britain recently revealed a 0.3 contraction in the fourth quarter of 2023 and has officially entered a recession. Japan has now slipped into the fourth position below Germany in the list of world's largest economy. IMF suggests that India is poised to overtake both Japan and Germany in terms of economic output, with estimates placing the shift in 2026 and 2027 respectively. This article is about inflation level in India. Hashima Goyal, an RBI Monetary Policy Committee member, criticized India's past spending habits during high growth, urging for buffer buildings instead. Research now suggests in current situations, it is core which is more steady and that affects inflation expectations, and headline comes down to core. Core inflation is the rate of inflation without taking into account food and fuel items whose prices can be volatile. Monetary Policy Committee left the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5% for the sixth meeting in a row. It also voted to remain focused on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation progressively aligns to the target while supporting growth. This article is about Paytm Payments Bank case. As part of its probe, the central agency examined more than 50 lakh accounts and wallets. In the case of Paytm Payments Banks Limited, the Enforcement Directorate has not found any violation under the Foreign Exchange Management Act. RBI on January 31st prohibited Paytm from onboarding new customers after February 29, cracking down due to persistent non-compliance. The other alleged violation, meanwhile, pertained mainly to the KYC compliance and other issues on which the RBI alone is empowered to act. This article is about the Gemini Pro 1.5. Alphabet is back with a major announcement. Google has unveiled its latest next generation AI model, the Gemini 1.5 Pro. The new model is built on MOE architecture and is claimed to be far more advanced than its competitors. The 1.5 Pro is a mid-size multimodal model that has been optimized for scaling across a wide range of tasks. This is 35 times more than what Gemini 1.0 Pro can take in. Besides, the Gemini 1.5 Pro can process up to 11 hours of audio and 1 hour of video in a wide range of languages. This article is about the revenue from tech industry. The domestic technology industry's revenue is projected to grow 3.8% to 254 billion USD this fiscal and highlighted creation of 60,000 more jobs during this period. The industry had clocked a revenue of 244.6 billion USD in the same period last year. Excluding hardware, the revenue is expected to touch 199 billion USD, a growth of 3.3% over last year as per the report. Domestic revenue is estimated to log 5.9 growth at 54.4 billion USD from 51.4 billion USD. The projected 3.8% growth is despite a 50% slide in tech spending and 6% decline in tech contracts in 2023 globally. So these are the 5 news for today. We'll be putting more videos for colleges with various percentiles, WAT and personal interview, B school deadlines and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.